Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome to your channel Quran for Kids. In this video, we will learn about the golden surah of Quran. This surah is the touchstone of God. It covers those attributes of God which has no comparison with other surahs of Quran. And this surah can give you protection from many evils. So, what is that surah? Yes, it's Surah Al Ikhlas, the famous one. Surah Ikhlas is a very short surah of Quran, consisting of only 4 verses, but carries a powerful message of Tawheed, that is the oneness of Allah. But why there is so much significance of this short surah? Let's explore. This surah is so important because it tells us about the pure Tawheed. It also provides protection and blessings. And it is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. Isn't it so exciting, kids? Let's explore the more significance of Surah Al Ikhlas. As our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "By him in those hand is my soul." It is equal to 1/3 of the Quran. It means that if you recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, you will get reward of reciting 1/3 of Quran. It's so blessing. A man used to recite Surah Al-Ikhlas in every rakah of prayer. When asked why, he replied, "Because it describes the most merciful and I love to recite it." The Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, "Your love for it has admitted you into paradise." Let's explore Surah Al Ikhlas. So be with me, kids. Reciting the Surah Al Ikhlas before sleeping. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When you go to bed, recite Kul Huwallahu Ahad, that is Surah Al Ikhlas, and Muawwidhatayn, which means the Surah Al Falaq and Surah Nas, 3 times each. They will suffice you from everything." The other one is reciting it in the morning and evening. The Prophet, peace be upon him, used to recite Surah Al Ikhlas, Surah Al Falaq, and Surah Nas 3 times every morning and evening for protection. Let's start the recitation of Surah Al Ikhlas.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Say, He is Allah, who is one. Allah, the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to him any equivalent. This surah is the epitome of the oneness of God. It says that there is only one God, and not only one, but is unique. Ahad, which is in Surah Al Ikhlas, the word Ahad, also means unique. There is no one like him. In the next verse, the word Samad is used, which normally means to take support. This verse says that he is the one who does not need any support. Rather, he is the supporter for every living being in this universe. The third verse is the unique one and is the biggest attribute of Allah. He is the one who is not born and he has no child. He is from the start. He is Hayyul Qayyum. The biggest attribute of a creator is that he is not created being. If a creator is also created,